Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a fun, whimsical fall wreath. All of the items were purchased at the dollar store. So this is going to be a fall wreath for less than $10. What you will need is a wreath ring. This is 14 inches. I have one roll of fall wreath and 6 rolls of various fall colors and Chanel stems. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is, this Deco mesh is 6 inches in width. You want to cut all of these rolls into 9-inch long pieces. And you're going to cut the ribbon, which this ribbon is 2.5 inches in width. You're going to cut it into 7-inch long pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7-inch long piece of ribbon. So I'm just going to put these together and use them in different variations. Not each bundle will have all of the colors and not each bundle will have ribbon. And a way that's going to make it look more fun and whimsical is how you roll it. So for this one, I'm going to start at the diagonal and roll it at an angle. So it's nice and long and pointed, just like that. I'm going to do 2 of them like this. So let's go with the yellow. You want to come at the angle and roll it the diagonal. Just like that. And then this piece, I'm just going to roll it like normal. So this one is going to have more of the loopy curl. Going to do the same for this piece. So when I put them together, I'm going to kind of alternate. Just like that. And I'm going to use a Chanel stem and twist it really, really tight. And then you'll be able to adjust it and play around with it when you're all done. Just like that. And then, like I said, I'm not going to use the same colors in the same order every time. I'm going to mix it up just so it looks more fun and fall-like. Let me show you another option. So let's say you have the green that you're rolling at an angle. Let's roll the orange. And yellow. Roll that one just normal. Okay, so for this one, I'll have the green, the orange, the yellow, and we are going to place the ribbon right on top. And scrunch it all together in the center. Take your Chanel stem and twist it as tight as you can. And you don't have to put the ribbon on the top each time. Sometimes I'm going to like put the ribbon in between and have more deco mesh on top of it just to kind of change it up a little bit. You could also ribbon cut the ends. I'm just going to leave mine just like this. So these are 2 different variations. Here's the one. This is the second one. And I'm just going to make all of the bundles before I start placing it on the ring. And like I said, try to make as many different variations. And so when it's time to place it on the ring, what you're going to do is take the Chanel stems and place it around the inner 2 rings. Just these 2. And you're just going to twist it nice and tight. And then you're going to do the same with the next one. Place it on the inner 2 rings. You're going to twist it nice and tight and push it together. So the 6 rolls that I'm using makes about 30 bundles. Now some bundles I only have 3 colors, some I have 4, and some have the ribbon and some don't. So you can definitely mix it up and match it to fit whatever you'd like. How it's starting to look nice and fun and fall like. And since I'll have 30 bundles, I'm going to use 5 bundles for each of the 6 sections all the way around. So I'm going to get a full section done and let you see what it looks like. So this is a full complete section. Have it tied at the back. But this is what the front looks like. Very fun, fall-like. So I'm going to finish up and let you guys see the finished product. Alright, so this is the finished product. A nice, poofy, whimsical, fun fall wreath. You could definitely use specific colors if you'd like. You don't have to use the ribbon if you don't choose to.